Hello friends, today I shall talk about Paul Erdos, the prolific Hungarian mathematician. The year I joined Indian Statistical Institute in 1984, in the previous year convocation, Paul Erdos attended the function and handed over the degrees at the convocation meeting. This is the picture of Paul Erdos, 26th March 1913 to 20th September 1996. Three years more than 80. So he was an octogenarian. Early life. Born on 26 March 1913 in Budapest, Hungary, displayed extraordinary mathematical talent from a young age. Earned his PhD from the University of Budapest at age 21. Areas of mathematical work: number theory, combinatorics, graph theory, probability theory, set theory. Collaborative spirit. Known for his extensive collaboration with mathematicians worldwide, published over 1,500 papers with more than 500 co-authors, inspired the concept of the Erdos number. The Erdos number, a measure of collaborative distance in authorship of mathematical papers. Erdos himself has number 0, direct co-authors have Erdos number 1, and so on. My Erdos number is 3. I have a joint paper with Professor Vikas Sinha, who has a joint paper with Professor S.B. Rao, who has a joint paper with Paul Erdos. Lifestyle and personality. Lived a nomadic life, traveling constantly with 2 suitcases. He has no job, no home, no family. He used to travel with his 2 suitcases. That was his sole companion in his travel, and he was in many cases he had his mother with him. Often offered a small monetary rewards for solving mathematical problems, famous for referring to children as epsilons and God as the supreme fascist. These are the vocabularies from Erdos. Legacy. Left an enormous impact on many branches of mathematics. His collaborative philosophy shaped modern mathematical culture. His problems continue to inspire mathematical research. This is a photo of Paul Erdos and Terence Tao. Terence Tao is a living mathematician of highest order today. Paul Erdos and Terence Tao are legendary mathematicians connected by a famous photo from 1985 when Tao was 10. Terence Tao was 10 and Paul Erdos was above 80. The Ramsey number story. Suppose the demon comes and asks for the value of Ramsey 55. Ramsey numbers in commentaries are very difficult to find. We know the Ramsey 55 lies between 39 and 43, but we don't know the actual value. So the story goes, suppose the demon comes and asks for the value of Ramsey 55, otherwise he will destroy the universe. The best strategy for survival will be to call all the mathematicians of the world, distribute the work, and hand over the value. So that's the best strategy of survival when demon asks for the value of Ramsey 55, the exact value. Suppose the demon comes and asks the value of Ramsey 66. Otherwise, he will destroy the universe. The best strategy for survival will be to attack the demon. That's the story from Paul Erdos. These numbers are very difficult to compute. Even supercomputers are also failing. We are looking forward to quantum computers. My brain is open. Erdos traveled constantly visiting mathematicians around the world with his 2 suitcases. Whenever he arrived at someone's home, he would say, "My brain is open." This meant he was ready to collaborate immediately. When he became tired or wanted to stop, he would say, "My brain is closed." Concept of the book by Paul Erdos. This was God's collection of most beautiful, elegant, and perfect proofs in mathematics. Erdos believed you don't have to believe in God, but you should believe in the book. To him, examples from the book contains the infinitude of primes by Euclid, Euler's formula V minus E plus F equal to 2, which I discussed in my last video. The proof of the Cauchy-Schwarz inequality, the one-line proof of Bessel problem using Fourier series, the simple probabilistic proof of the Ramsey theory lower bounds. Probabilistic proof of Ramsey theory lower bounds by Erdos himself. When Erdos saw an especially elegant proof, he would say, "This is a proof straight from the book." So beauty means a lot. Beauty meant a lot to mathematicians like Paul Erdos. If there is no place for ugliness in mathematics, that's a statement by, I don't remember the name, possibly Hilbert. Okay, so I'll stop here. Thank you. Like, comment, share, subscribe my video. I am available for one-to-one discussions too. Thank you.